and it's an open door, and off my line of sight once more. It's only love.
Guys, it is 2 in the morning right now and I just finished this edit. I told myself I'm not gonna go to sleep until this video is done. Listen guys, if you got this far, thank you so much for watching. And remember, if you do want to see more, the best way to do that is to click on the YouTube link, which I will put in the description below. That's where it counts for me. I only use Facebook as a sharing platform because that's where people see it, unfortunately. I know it's been a while, so that's why I thought I have to come back with a bang. I'm currently in Thailand and I've been here for a couple of months, and this video is pretty much everything I've experienced in Thailand culminated into one. First of all, I've got a new camera which I couldn't show you now. I've learned so much about color grading, color correction, framing, camera handling, storytelling, sound design, cinematography, just everything. And I wanted to show that in this video, so that's why I put this together. This is the new standard. It's gonna be a pain in the ass to make, but I've got some cool plans in the making. I've been to Vietnam, I recorded a bunch of stuff there, so I'm gonna do a mini episode of Vietnam, and I've got some few ideas. So it won't be super often, but it will be there. And in the meantime, I will keep practicing on my skills. But most importantly, I love you all, and if you like it, please share, and yeah. Take care of each other.